Jennifer Coyne. I work for the Barnes Global Advisors, and I come from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And I got involved in additive manufacturing about 6 or 7 years ago, and I helped start a additive manufacturing team out of GE Transportation, and did that for a few years, worked there for a total of 14 years, helped start that, and then the last 2 years I've been a consultant for the additive manufacturing industry. The thing that draws me to the industry is it's always changing. It's always growing. The technology is always pushing forward. Something that I have always been drawn to in my career is the latest and greatest technology and how to apply it to existing industries. And this is an opportunity for that, to see additive manufacturing or new technology applied across every industry. And additive does that. It touches every industry. I've been attending RAPID TCT events for the past 7 years, and they are important because they usher community and growth and connections. It's where I get to see a lot of my friends, but also I get to learn about new technology and new happenings throughout the industry and just connect again. It's where collaboration happens as well. So the exciting things about the future of additive manufacturing, I get excited about the digital revolution that's coming with additive manufacturing machines. I get excited about new technology and digital thread opportunities that will start to connect these machines, because these machines are inherently smart and they can do so many things that some legacy equipment just wasn't set up for. But these were designed with digital in mind from the beginning, and I'm excited about the revolution that'll come when we really get those integrated into factories. Actually, today I got to lead the Career Forum panel and the Career Forum luncheon, and we saw students from all over the country come in and talk to us about being in the additive manufacturing industry and what that looks like and how excited they were. And even one of them said, "I'm just an additive manufacturing geek and I just want to be in additive manufacturing." And he already knows that as a senior. So the challenges that additive manufacturing faces today are some of the same ones that we've been hearing over 5 years. We need to see machine costs come down. We need to see adoption and use cases go up. But I'm really hopeful and optimistic that all of those things are happening, and that we're really we're coming into a bright future in the next few years here. The next couple years, I think I mentioned digital and how it will adjust the way that we do things. I think that it will accelerate the way that we develop and spread data. So, like, for example, how we take an application in and have it printed in digital or in places around the country. I think that in the past has been done on paper drawings. Now we can do that securely and transfer these data files securely. So I'm excited about that part. I'm excited about the workforce that's coming in and how they will know additive from the get-go, and they will think that way and they will know that way. And I'm excited about the cross-pollination between the people who know subtractive and traditional manufacturing and those people who have grown up knowing additive manufacturing.